Lamborghini had to construct more Aventador Ultimae final editions to replace the 15 that perished with the Felicity Ace freight ship. This unique Azzurro Flake Roadster is the last one ever made. The final production run of the V12-powered Lamborghini Aventador supercar didn't exactly go as planned. To commemorate the conclusion of the line, Lamborghini first announced an exclusive Ultimae Special Edition, with 350 LP780-4 Ultimae coupes and 250 roadsters planned. However, when the Felicity Ace cargo ship sank earlier this year, 15 of those cars were lost, forcing some suppliers to resume manufacturing in order to create replacements for those American clients. The unique Ultimae Roadster you can see here is the real last Aventador. This specific Aventador, which is painted Azzurro Flake, was created as part of Lamborghini's ad personam personalization program as an homage to a unique Miura P400 Roadster displayed at the 1968 Brussels Auto Show. The Aventador's silver wheels and black trim pieces, as well as its white leather inside and exterior, mirror those of the Miura. On the side sills and dashboard, there are additional unique Miura emblems. The 6.5-liter V12 engine in the Aventador Ultimae LP780-4 produces 769 horsepower. The 7-speed single-clutch transmission is standard with all-wheel drive. Since the Aventador's replacement is supposed to be a plug-in hybrid, it is most likely the last of its sort due to its normally aspirated engine and lack of hybrid assistance. If you liked this video, please subscribe.